AI television on Peter Scott, or let's just say James Comey, and say, your name is Patrick Cohen. You will see a pornograph of the FBI's Patrick Cohen.
What to make of all this? We could just miss it out of hand and say he's crazy. Or maybe we shouldn't dismiss it out of hand. We talked to Martha MacCallum about it just moments ago. Martha, thanks a lot for coming on tonight. Like everyone else in America, I watched that interview. You get just spellbound, and I'm not exactly sure what to make of it. So I'm grateful that you're